Hi everyone out there. Hey, Jim Murray here with Access Communications. We're at the InVision show in Charlotte, North Carolina. So happy to be here. This is a great show. And what I want to show is one product that we have relatively new, and it's our new Strobe device. And it is really an awesome unit. It adds pro activity to a lot of things that we do today from the video side, but at the same time, this is something that's very new, and really no one else in the industry has this. So please come by today, take a look. We have been really doing quite well with this, and it's something that we want to get out to most folks and have them take a peek at it. It's been a hit of the show, and you can reach out to me. My name again is Jim Murray. Our website is axis.com. AXIS.com, and find out more information. Thank you so much.